Okay, very quickly, I'm going to show you how to set up your OBS. Starts out just like this with nothing on it. First thing you're going to do is go to Screen Collection, click New, enter something in there, doesn't matter what. That's all there is to that. Nothing else is going to happen. Just do that. Then you go down here under Source, click plus, go down to Video Capture. Don't need to change anything, just click OK. Now you're capturing this screen. Looks a little funky because you're capturing a screen that has OBS with a picture of the screen on it, so it's kind of like, you know, kind of like the House of Mirrors or whatever. But right in the middle of that, which is hard to distinguish, is a dialog box. In this dialog box, that'll come up as soon as you click plus and click on display capture. If you have more than one monitor, you will have two choices here. This is where you select which monitor you want to use. I've only got one running right now on this, so there's only one there. Once you select your monitor, click OK. Now, in the section here called Mixer, that's where your sound mixer is going to be, but you don't have anything there. You have to go set those up. So you click on Settings. One other thing you need to do is click on Output, because you need to change. This is the recording path. You want to change that from the default, which is C/users/documents/app data/ blah. You want to get it out of there. You know, create a video folder, call it video, call it whatever, and change this to point towards that. Then all your videos will go to wherever you have in there. You just click on Browse, find a place you like, and there you go. That's good. Then you're going to click on one thing I want you to notice. The recording format is FLV. That's not a very common format, but it's a good format to use, because if you get interrupted, if your computer shuts down or whatever reason, it'll still save. I'll show you how to fix that to something that's a little more usable later. Click on Audio. Now we're going to set up our two audio streams. The first one is a desktop audio. That's everything that comes through your sound card, whatever that might be. The other one you want to set up is the mic, so that you can use a mic. So you've got your headset, whatever. I know that mine works with this one. There may be several choices in there. Doesn't matter if you get it wrong. Just try it out. If it doesn't work, go back into Settings, Audio, try another one, and that'll set all that up. Now you've got those down here. Desktop audio doesn't have anything coming through it. You can turn it down, turn it up. You can turn it off. And then here is the audio coming through the microphone. You can turn it down a little bit if you want, however you want to do it. You can turn it off right here. Oh, what's that do? We don't care. There it is. Now, if you want to do a recording, you just click Start Recording and Stop Recording. Go to File, Show Recordings. There it is. Try it out, listen to it, make sure everything's right before you start your other recording. And one last thing, when you're done, you want to go File, Remix Recordings. Click on Browse. It'll come up where your recordings are. Put your most recent recording in there, and then it'll change that to an MP4, which will be a lot easier. You can play it in Windows Media Player and stuff like that. Then you can delete the FLV one. And click on Remix. And go back to File, Show Recordings. And there's your MP4. There it is. That's it. Hope that helps. Talk to you later. Bye.